My name is David Miller. I'm an attorney here at O'Connor Law. The short answer to that is yes. You can always treat with whatever doctor you want to see. The question comes down to payment. Depending on what processes are followed by the employer, whether or not that treatment with that doctor of your choice will be paid through workers' comp or your own insurance. The panel list is a requirement under the Workers' Compensation Act of the employer if they want to control treatment for the first 90 days. And that's the first 90 days after the first date of treatment, not 90 days from the injury. It's important to note. A panel list is a list of doctors that the employer chooses that requires an injured worker to go see one of those doctors within the first 90 days. If the injured worker wants that bill paid for through workers' compensation. The injured worker does not have to see the panel physician. It's a matter of payment. So the injured worker can go see whatever doctor they want, but they would be responsible for the payment of the bill if they see a doctor that's not on the panel. We always advise our clients to make sure the bills are first sent to the workers' compensation adjuster. That is because that bill needs to be either non-paid or ignored or actually denied for us to take any action on it. If we get in front of a judge, the first question the judge will ask is, has that bill been submitted for payment? If we say no, it hasn't, or we're not sure, then the judge will say, well, come back when you know. So the first thing that has to happen, that bill should be sent to the comp adjuster. Secondarily, you can provide your own health insurance as a backup, and then the provider will ultimately bill your health insurance, which we recommend so that that bill doesn't impact your finances or your credit report. If a bill is denied, the two options are to have it paid by health insurance or pay out of pocket, or challenge that in court. We can file, there's a couple different petitions we can file to get that decision in front of a judge to make a determination whether or not that the treatment that the bill refers to is related to the work injury, and also whether or not it's reasonable and necessary treatment for the work injury.